Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today I'm gonna cook mutton dalcha for biryani. Let's go check out the ingredients. "500 gram lamb, 1 big red onion, 1 whole garlic, 1 tablespoon mixed spices, 3 potatoes cut into 4 pieces, and 1 carrot, 1 katrika or eggplant, 3 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tomato, and 2 chilies. Curry leaf and coriander leaf. While we are waiting for the dal to boil, we prepare the ingredients. Heat up 3 tablespoons of oil, then we add in onion, garlic, curry leaf, and mixed spices. Stir fry until it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, we add in the lamb. You can use mutton or lamb. We add in 1 teaspoon of salt and all the mixed curry powders. Mix well. And add little bit of water. Cook in medium flame for 2 minutes and we keep aside. Once the dal is boiling, then we add in the lamb. And tamarind juice. Oh yeah guys, if you are wondering that I never show you how to cook the dal, you can see in my video how to cook sambar. The link is in my description below. You can check it out. And Lastly, we add in all the vegetables. Cook until the lamb is soft and the vegetable is perfectly cooked. Sorry for all my viewers, if my video are smoky, it's because I love to cook meat by using charcoal. Okay my friends, dalcha are ready to be served. You can serve dalcha with biryani rice or even you can serve in a normal rice. The tastes are still delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the recipe and don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment below, and also share all my video recipe to all your friends in social media and your family members. Till next time and bye bye.